Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching hardware. Identify whether the adapter is USB-A, USB-C, or Thunderbolt and plug into the correct port. Once connected, make sure your computer is powered on and the Ethernet cable is already run to the router or switch. This reduces interruptions. If drivers are required, install them now. Otherwise, the OS should auto-recognize the adapter. This step prevents connection loops and speed setup, so don't skip confirming port compatibility and physical network availability. Once the adapter is plugged in, check system notifications and network settings. If the device isn't listed, install the manufacturer driver. This resolves many compatibility issues. After drivers are in, open network settings. Enable the new adapter, choose DHCP for typical networks, or enter a static IP if required by your environment. Make sure the router port shows activity. Look for the link light. This confirms a physical link and allows the OS to negotiate speed and duplex correctly. And you finish by verifying connectivity. Run a ping to the gateway, then a speed test to confirm expected throughput and latency. If the wired link isn't used, disable wireless to force traffic through the adapter and avoid routing conflicts. Once done, check IP assignment and DNS resolution so common services work. If anything fails, try a different Ethernet cable or router port and reinstall drivers. These 3 actions resolve most faults quickly and get you back online with minimal downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.